I'm Director of Culinary Innovation, Chef Greg Muller. I'm a World Chef certified master chef with over 18 years experience. If you name it, I can cook it. So let's get cooking.
Hey there, RT-G450 family, Chef Greg with you. Today we're cooking a great recipe on the Matador. We're doing Cabernet braised lamb shanks, and we're gonna use the 680 to finish these off, but the Matador is doing the heavy work. We've got it set over medium heat. We're gonna go ahead and get these shanks seared off. Now again, the shank is gonna be the lower end of the lamb leg. It's a little on the tough side, so braising works great. We're gonna season these up with some salt and pepper. You could also use heifer dust, or any of your favorite seasoning, but you want to be pretty generous. We're going to get a little bit of olive oil, and we're going to go ahead and get these seared off in the bull ring. All right, so our lamb shanks have a great sear on all sides. We're gonna go ahead and pull these into the front row. And here we have some celery, some carrots, some onion, some mushroom. We're gonna go ahead and saute those in that rendered lamb fat and get some great flavor. Now we'll add a little tomato paste. That's gonna give our sauce a lot of depth of flavor, great color. I like the tomato paste in the tube. I feel like I don't waste as much as I do in those little cans. So a couple tablespoons. We'll also add in a couple whole cloves of garlic and some fresh thyme. No worry to pull it off the stem, just throw it all in. Now to give our sauce some real good velvety texture, we're gonna make a roux. We're gonna add in about 1/3 cup of flour, and we're gonna really cook that flour down until it absorbs up all of that olive oil and rendered lamb fat. So we're going to push everything to the middle of the bull ring here. And then to really kick these up a few notches, I have a bottle, you heard me, a bottle of Cabernet wine. Now be careful, if your Matador is really hot, you don't want to be pouring alcohol in it, might potentially flame up. This is kind of over like a medium-low heat. The whole bottle. We're going to let that cook down until that red wine is almost completely evaporated. That'll take about anywhere between 12 and 15 minutes. All right, as you can see, our wine has almost fully evaporated. There's a great sheen to it from that flour. The color is just amazing. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add in some low sodium beef stock. Bring this up to a simmer, let it reduce a little bit, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna transfer this to a cast iron pot, and we're gonna finish it on the 680 because this is gonna take about 2.5 to 3 hours or so at about 325 degrees. All right, so it's been about 2.5 hours. Our lamb shanks are really good and tender. Let's see what she's got. Great flavor. Look how nice and glazed those are. I'm gonna take a little piece off of this one. So, beautiful Cabernet braised lamb shanks. We started it on the Matador, we finished it on the 680. The wine, the herbs, stupid delicious.